Hey, what's up? My name is Josh Ahrens and welcome to my vlog, Journey of Josh. So I've been kind of down for the last few days because some stuff went down that, wasn't really cool and obviously wasn't expected. I don't think a public platform like a YouTube video is really the right place to talk about the details, but I will say this. I feel like in any institution, anyone, no matter what their position is or how long they've been there or whatever the case may be, everyone has a right to express concerns, frustrations, new ideas without having to fear that they'll be reprimanded for it. I couldn't use the footage that I wanted to use in this episode. So today on Journey of Josh, we're going to throw it back a little bit to when I lived in Wisconsin, and I'm going to take you on a walk on my favorite nature trail. Obviously the tone and the style of this video is going to be a little different, but I don't know, this video makes me feel better, and for those of you who know what I was talking about earlier, I hope it makes you feel a little better too.